Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to tell that how to check whether the Node.js is already installed or not. First of all, you have to open your command prompt and now type as node -v and press enter. Here it was showing version that installed in my system. So in this system, Node.js is already installed. Now I am going to run a simple instruction. Now type as node and press enter. Now type console.log and passing that hello world. Now I'm going to run this. Here I got an output. In this way, we can check whether the Node.js is installed or not in our system. If you feel that this video is helpful, give one like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.